Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe this channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can implement OOPS concept using Go language. As we know that OOPS concepts is supported by class, but Go language do not support classes, means we do not have classes in Go language. But in this video I am going to explain you that how you can use structure as a class in Go language to achieve the same concept which we achieve by using classes. So class give the reusability and class provides the concept of inheritance, polymorphism. So we will achieve inheritance by using composition, and we will use polymorphism also. And here I am just giving example how we can use a structure as a class. So for that I have here the main. First of all, here I am just creating a package, or I just implement the main function like this. So this is the main. So here I will use that particular, we can say, structure file. So what I do, first of all I have to create a module. So I say go mode init, and I am giving a, you can say, I just give here the OOPS as a module name. So created. Now I just create one directory that is already have now I have student directory like this here. So under this directory I will create one file. I say student.go like this, and here I will create a package student, because we know that if we have a student class here, the package name would be the student. So I am giving here package name. Now here I just create a structure. I say student as capital because I want to use it outside the package, and I say struct, and in this structure I say name string, I say course string, I say roll number, just for your understanding that I am just creating a some variable here. Then I am using a function that will implement this structure. So I say s student, and here I say we can say get student info like this, and this function will return fmt dot printf, and here I say student name equal to %s, and I say student name, I say course equal to %s, and roll number equal to %d, and here I say s dot name, then s dot, and remember that if I want to access this outside, then I have to make it capital also, but if I want to use it outside, then only. So I say here name, then I say s dot course, then I say s dot roll number like this. I save it. So I am using it like a class. I am just creating a variables and the function for this as we do in class. Now I am accessing it here. So what I do, in this main I just create the object of this. So I say here s equal to and I say student and I initialize this. So I have a student as a structure and I pass here a name equal to, I say Dr. Vipin Kumar, and here I say course, and that I give here PhD, and I say roll number, I say 1. I save it and I say student dot this. Okay, and so I have to declare the student dot student, then I say s dot get student information like this and save it, get student, and remember that we have to make it capital because I want to access it outside the package, so that should be capital. So I just change it to get, save it, and now again I try to run it, go run, and I say main.go, and you see the information is coming. But problem is here that if I declare this like this, where s1 is student dot student like this, if I use it and I call this s1 dot get student information like this, if I use it like this and I run it again, so you will see that it will display blank information like this. So that should not be there. That should not be there because it is displaying a blank information, but in class we have a constructor to initialize a variable. So how we can create a constructor here in structure? So you see that if I am declaring this like that, it is wrong because we having a wrong value. So for that I have to declare it as a small because I don't want it should be accessed outside this class. Remember that small, so nobody can access it outside this. Now I will create a one function. That function name is new. As a constructor I am using this function and I am saying here name is a string, then course is also string, then roll number is int like this, and return type of this is student object like this. And so I call this command here, remember I just cut this one and I declare this here, and it is small one, so no need to call the package name. So I declare here like this and I say return s. Remember here I am passing name, then here I am passing course, here I am passing roll number like this. Now you see that here I will declare as with the help of I say student dot new, and here I pass the value like Dr. Vipin Kumar, then I pass PhD, then I pass roll number like this. And remember, this is not possible because you cannot access it like this, so it is compulsory now to use this. And here you can pass some other value, that's Sachin Kumar. Again we can say PhD, we can say roll number 4 like this. And now if I run it again, so you will see that both we have a syntax error. Okay, we need this equal to like this, and I run it again, and you see that we have both the information here like. So now I am able to use new function as a constructor, and I am able to create object as a short object and normal variable object and accessing these functions. And remember that we have used this new function as a constructor also. So we try to implement this particular structure as a class, and normally we do like this in class also. We create a class, we declare a methods, we create a object and access those functions. So here I just converted this structure as a class with functions, with constructor, and we are accessing this here. And with the help of this, we are able to implement the concept of class with the help of structures. And we are also implementing the oops concept here. It is not 100% as we do in class, but it is almost like a class because we need only the functionality of that particular concept. We doesn't mean that it should be like a class. We just want to fulfill the requirement. Whatever the requirement we have, we can do using structure also. So I think you have learned so many things from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.